a lot of fun. Yeah. Very fun. It was a fun movie.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Shut up, Patrick! Shut the fuck up!
Hi, Chad.
Here.
Bro, yeah,
about
unknowable. Oz, thank you. Meebles, thank you. Thanks for the gifted sub. Die, Demon King. came out like a week ago. Yeah, but like I could have sworn maybe
This one's not great.
Well, be nice. Spawn camping is crazy.
Hit me, bro. Hit me, bro. Come on. The official hightail.
What happened to me? Really good vanilla? I don't know. Double kill.
So this is high game.
Sentinel win.
Server is being overloaded.
How many people played in?
People kept calling me, I don't know what they're called anymore, I keep forgetting, but I didn't want to be like that, so.
What?
You know how there's that comic with the, like, little devil guys?
What are you talking about?
With, like, the horns?
I guess we gotta wait. Can I TP the Demon King? TP the Demon King. I moved. I gotta wait 23 seconds.
Roses are red. Violets are blue. Yo.
When I pull up to the club, all the shawties be like, I be like, girl, you know just who I am. See, I done fell in love with a stripper, y'all. All I do is fuck with her and I hit them draws. And I don't need no help, I got it down. They was born to work, now you can't down. I'm a forever, I'm been around the town. That's why they call me Teddy Pendergrass. I be like, oh, see you, and mama me, I'm more pain. What is your name? I'm feeling your vibe and I'm hoping you feel the same. I'm a weak behind and let you know I got the game. When I know exactly what to say. He's so
That's a gay man.
No.
Oops.
That's just our This is my favorite art.
This kind of things. But yeah, everything there is managed by home. I know there's so much stuff. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. First natural state, a lot or all the IP is represented. Before we had Rumble. And after that, I think we switched to another IP, but I don't remember exactly what. But yeah, Warcraft, there's some Hearthstone in there. There's, I think Rebel is also in there.
Oh yeah, clothes. What? Did it?
Yeah, look at the tentacles.
And then there are more strikers across the street, but
Oh yeah.
but I guess he's out. Yeah, so this is 24/7 open to employees.
Oh shit!
And we can just self-check out whatever.
You guys have your own library card?
No. We,
Just an employee?
yeah, we just sign in to the box with coloring supplies.
Oh, okay.
Box of chocolates.
And then I made a thing.
Digicali.